All right, let me clean this up and make it smooth, clear, and natural. Same message, just easier to follow and more YouTube-friendly. Fellow XRP holders, how you doing? Let's talk about what just happened. We had a big event overnight. A lot of people were nervous about it. Honestly, it turned out to be way less scary than we expected for XRP, Bitcoin, and the overall crypto market. If you're new here, my name is Austin. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and if you're watching on X, give me a follow. I really appreciate it. So let's look at the market real quick. XRP is down about 1.5%. The overall market is only down around 0.4%. Bitcoin is sitting near 87,600. Ethereum is just under 3,000. XRP actually bounced a bit from yesterday. It dropped to about $1.80, and now it's back up a few cents from there. So, what actually happened? Overnight, the Bank of Japan raised interest rates by 75 basis points. Japan is about 14 hours ahead of the US, so the announcement hit while most of us were sleeping. This was the big event everyone was worried about. And here's the good news, the impact on crypto has been pretty small. No massive crash, no giant red candles. Honestly, this is a positive outcome. Earlier, I said this could have been a problem. A 75 basis point hike sounds scary. In the past, moves like this caused big sell-offs. Back in July 2024, a Bank of Japan move helped push Bitcoin down more than 20%. So yeah, the concern was real. But I think a few things helped this time. First, everyone knew this rate hike was coming. December 18th or 19th was on everyone's calendar. Because of that, a lot of people slowly sold ahead of time instead of panic selling all at once. Second, a lot of investors had borrowed Japanese yen at very low interest rates. That money was used to buy risk assets like crypto. As the rate hike got closer, those positions were probably unwound gradually. That spread the impact out over time. And third, we got some calming news from Japan. They basically signaled that they don't expect to raise rates again, possibly all the way into 2027. That helped settle the market. So instead of a crash, we got almost nothing. And honestly, I'll take that. Now, where does that leave XRP? We're heading into Christmas. This always matters. People stop watching charts, they focus on family, travel, and holidays. Volume usually slows down. Because of that, I don't expect anything crazy for the rest of this year. Could we see a small move? Sure, but big action probably waits until early 2026. Let's be real for a second. 2025 hasn't been an amazing year for crypto. XRP had one strong moment earlier, and then that big 70% move back in July. Outside of that, it's been pretty quiet. We're still well below the all-time high around $3.86. So overall, I'm taking this Bank of Japan situation as a win. It hit, and it didn't hurt us much. That's a good thing. I was ready to buy if we dumped hard, but that dump never came. All right, guys, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.